Nita, coming again with another video. I am so glad to be back on with you guys. I had cooked a home cooked meal, yellow rice, baked bean, and barbecue pork chop. Can you like, subscribe, give me a lot of thumbs up? Make sure you turn on your post notification. Every time I drop a video, you guys will be notified. I hope y'all day are going well and blessed. I'm gonna say my grace, and like I always say, we're gonna get into it. Amen. I'm so hungry, you guys. I know it been a minute. I be going through my own problems. I shut down and gather my thoughts and everything together. So, yeah. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Try the pork chop. Mmm. 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 It's seasoned to the T. And I know you guys may say, you just saying that nobody can't taste your cooking. But it's really good. Mmm. Mm. You guys already know I always forget my napkins. This yellow rice, it's really good. I don't know if I can eat the last meat because I'm getting there. Ooh. Excuse me. This one looks juicy. If you guys keep seeing me looking like directly at the camera, because I'm trying to see how far along I am in the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I always say, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey YouTube, this your girl Nina coming again with another video. This video, I went and got some crabs. I bought some eggs. I supposed to have potatoes. Came back. It wasn't. It's a long story on that. Can you like, subscribe, give me a lot of thumbs up. Make sure you turn on your post notification. Every time I drop a video, you guys will be notified. And we're going to just jump into this video. We're going to say our prayer and we're going to get into it. Amen. So I look a little tired because I am. I just went and got the crabs. I bought my eggs. I got a little bit of sausage and a little bit of potatoes. A little bit that it turned out. So let's get into it. I don't got nothing, no dipping sauce, no none of that. I guess I'll just dip it in whatever. I'm so tired. This was a last minute thing about the crabs. And plus, the line was ridiculous. Super long. I think we stayed in the line, we stayed in there for like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours.
Yeah, you was like, people had to go like refund their money.
Yeah, they was getting mad.
Getting mad.
These eggs are really good.
Somebody take some. Alright.
You know what you're doing? You want to take off your jacket?
There we go.
You want to take off your jacket?
No.
Or roll it up?
Yeah. Got a water bottle there. I ain't gonna drink it though. I'll drink it probably when I'm done.
Today was kind of a busy day. So yeah. If you don't know how to do, you want me to help you? Oh, you got it.
I got it.
A little bit of potato that I do have. I had my my sausage and my potatoes boiling as I was going to get my crabs. Came back. They came out with like mashed potatoes. Somebody supposed to have been keeping an eye on them, but
yeah,
I don't know what happened.
Yes.
You got it.
A little bit. There you go. Anyway.
You been like this? Let's show it. So you do it like that, but there ain't nothing in here. All that is nothing. Oh, you got it. Okay. Nothing in here. Wow.
But if you got the soft, it's not gonna work because
I don't know how to open these big ones. It's like you got more crabs than me on your thing. Woo. So tired.
I like these a lot. The big ones.
You like them? Which one?
Come on there.
Oh, you like those?
They got a lot of meat in it.
Oh, you doing? Ooh. I think I gave you too many. I bought 2 bags, you guys. But the way I'm tired, I know somebody probably saying, if you're tired, why would you get on and make a video? Because say I was gonna be dedicated, whether I'm tired or what, I'm gonna make a video for you guys.
Get all that. I never get the soft ones.
You know, get something.
Nope. Can't never get it out the shell. They ain't hard.
I didn't even eat that much. I'm full already. Ooh. Now this right here, they have a lot of meat in it. This what you talking about?
Mm-hmm. That time. Double.
Huh?
Double.
What you like?
Triple.
Triple?
Yep. I did that the same trap. Alrighty.
I gotta see what trim I am.
Yeah, see, it's soft. I can't. Still got it though.
Okay.
Where? Crackle on.
I'm gonna have to eat those. You eat these big ones?
These ones.
These ones. I'm so full. Oh.
Dang. A little bit out of there.
I'm full.
Dang. Okay, slippery.